Hello everyone, this is Jem from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are on the last day of November, on the last trading day. We will cover some news and some analysis with you. Then we will go back to our charts. Before we start, today German current Chancellor Angela Merkel is having a meeting with probable next Chancellor Olaf Scholz regarding all these new cases, because the work overload in hospitals are getting more and more, that it's affecting all the healthcare system. So they will discuss that one, and mandatory vaccination is on the table. That will definitely make some protest and social unrest in Europe, but at the same time it might be the only solution, because people are rejecting, and this is making the public health at risk. That's why they will discuss all of them, what can be done. And even if they don't make mandatory vaccination, they will definitely make kind of selection, like between people who got vaccination and not vaccinated. So we will see these news probably tonight, or like tomorrow morning. We will see the effect on that one. All right. Another news is, as I said, Moderna. The CEO of Moderna, vaccination company, they said a new vaccine, updated vaccine, is needed to deal with new variant. That is making everything on decline. That was news. All right, our first chart is natural gas. Let's start with that one. Natural gas is decreasing on the last 2 days, and then we see it's happening fast. Reason is natural gas need for electric production is getting less with the demand issue. Actually, not getting less, but the fear of demand loss in natural gas is making price on decline. So as you can see here, right now 4.50 is helping to recover, but still we cannot say decline is over, because the fear of demand loss is the main reason of decline. As long as we hear more news regarding these new variants, we may see more decline in natural gas prices. And as you can see on the chart, the first support line is 4.34 is the first support line.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Alright, we are going on with USD Japanese yen. As you can see on the chart, USD Japanese yen is on decline sharply with the fear of new COVID. Dollar index is also on decline, so it is affecting the price of all counterparts. Euro dollar is on the rise, GBP USD on the rise, and USD Japanese yen on decline. Everything is related to COVID cases and changing so fast, and we cannot say this is definitely the direction, because any speech, any new report is making another impact on the market. But what we can say right now, last night Jerome Powell's speech, because he was being expected to speak in a hawkish tone, but he was speaking on a dovish scenario, and then he was telling that we may need to go on these current measurements, because we don't know much about these new variants. So he's right. I'm not saying bad, or nobody's saying bad about this, but the expectation wasn't met on the market because everybody for the recent months was expecting a hawkish tone from Fed officials, and that's why we have seen really high level of dollar index. But right now it's on decline, and we see USD Japanese yen also on decline. And let me just show you the levels. As you can see, 112.600 level is the main support right now, and from this point, last time as well, from this point, and actually like a 700 level also like a closer one, from this point it is recovering. We will see if that support will work this time as well, and RSI as well is confirming the case. We may see a rebound from this point. If you see that pattern, just buy USD Japanese yen and then you will make good money. Let's look at the next chart. Alright, our last chart is euro dollar. As you can see on the chart, it's rising but limited rise. Reason is European Central Bank dovish statements and not supporting the idea of raising heights, at the same time no tapering in future. That is affecting the performance of euro dollar, and especially euro performance, because dollar index right now on decline, and normally in USD Japanese yen we have seen that it's a sharp decline has happened there. In normal conditions it is expected, euro dollar expected to rise at the same level, but it's not happening. As I said, European Central Bank is just making statements and saying that we will do quantitative easing. We will go on quantitative easing at least next year. We will see what is happening in 2023, and that will be the key assessment for euro dollar, and we will just watch that one, and maybe a bit higher more. But as you can see here, it has lost its speed right now, only trying to stay above 113 and just stay above this resistance area. 113.56 is the key right now. If you see stay there, and then we will see another trial to 114 level. Alright, thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news and charts tomorrow morning. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.